This SUV takes its handsome styling cues from the compact RDX SUV and TLX sedan, and the cabin boasts luxury materials and features worthy of the Acura's premium badge. The base powertrain for this front driver consists of a 290 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 and a 10-speed automatic, and all-wheel drive is available. But select the performance-oriented Type S model, and you'll get a turbocharged 355 horsepower 3-liter V6 and standard all-wheel drive. Acura redesigned the MDX for 2022, skipping the 2021 model year. The new SUV shares its styling and technology with the recently revamped RDX and TLX models. As driving enthusiasts, we're most intrigued by the Type S for its performance aspirations, but Acura says that model won't go on sale until the summer of 2021. For buyers looking for a nicely equipped luxury crossover without the sporty flair, we'd recommend the advanced trim, which has niceties such as leather upholstery with contrast stitching, adjustable interior ambient lighting, an ELS studio stereo system with 12 speakers, and low-speed front and rear automated emergency braking. The new MDX uses the same 290 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 as the outgoing model, but the engine is now mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission instead of a 9-speed. Front-wheel drive remains standard with all-wheel drive available as an option. The outgoing 2020 MDX also offered a hybrid powertrain, but so far Acura has not indicated an intention to hybridize the 2022 MDX. The sporty Type S model is powered by a 355 horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 and comes standard with all-wheel drive. We haven't driven the Type S yet, but the car in our test is an all-wheel drive advanced model with the standard powertrain revealed surprisingly nimble handling and perky acceleration. The base 2022 MDX boasts EPA fuel economy ratings of 19 mpg city and 26 mpg highway. Opting for all-wheel drive reduces the highway rating by 1 mpg. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, our all-wheel drive A-Spec test vehicle delivered a disappointing 22 mpg. For more information about the MDX's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. The MDX's cabin has a far more premium look and feel than 2020 model's interior. French-stitched leather covers the dashboard in high-end trims, and open-pore wood mingles with metal and piano black accents. Acura also outfitted the MDX with plenty of creature comforts, such as dual-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats, and leather upholstery. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, and can be equipped with niceties such as 16-way power adjustability as well as massage. The first and second rows offer plentiful passenger space, but the MDX's third row is still a kids-only affair. Although the interior is nicely designed and offers plenty of convenience options, it doesn't feel quite as posh as the cabins of rivals such as the Genesis GV80 or the Volvo XC90. The 2022 MDX features a large 12.3-inch infotainment display with a center console-mounted touchpad controller, which we're sorry to report is somewhat frustrating to use. A 12.3-inch digital reconfigurable gauge display is also standard, as are Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability, in-dash navigation, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a wireless smartphone charging pad. An ELS studio stereo system is included on the technology trim, while the A-Spec and advanced models get a 16-speaker ELS Studio 3D setup. The fourth-generation model's athleticism is surprising considering it's about 2 inches longer and wider than before, and has a wheelbase that's 2.8 inches longer. Partially compensating for the larger footprint is a new platform, which is stiffer and features a switch from a strut front suspension to a control arm setup that sharpens its manners and handling. Combined with direct, but not overly quick variable assist steering, the result is a reassuringly positive feel from its front end when turning into corners, regardless of the selected drive mode. A revised multi-link rear suspension and adaptive dampers add to its nimble composure, as does a torque vectoring rear differential on versions equipped with the super handling all-wheel drive system. A longer hood helps the MDX's handsomely creased bodywork more closely mimic rear-wheel drive proportions, despite its engine still being mounted transversely. Inside, drivers will appreciate the standard front sport seats and smaller diameter, thicker-rimmed steering wheel.